Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of Magento 2. Today I am facing the one of the issue that is Magento framework app HTTP interceptor does not exist. To how to solve this issue. So we are going to learn in this video. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So what is the error is? Reflection class Magento framework app interceptor not found. That means there is an issue with the permissions. Okay, so I'm going to just run the permissions, okay, and the commands that you have to run again. Okay, so you have to run compile, upgrade, static, and then after that, if it is not working still, then you have to create add the permissions also. So let's have a look on that one. So I'm going to just adding the permissions over here, just enter over it, and just go and just reload this one. And here you can see that I'm able to get back to my website. Okay, so if that issue is arising, so try to run the commands, and if it is not solved, then check the permissions also. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.